Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to use Creator Search Insights on TikTok. Alright, so first of all, let me tell you what Creator Search Insight is all about. Alright, so the Creator Search Insight feature on TikTok helps you to know about the topics that people are searching for on TikTok. Alright, so it helps you to know the topics, and also it gives you the opportunity to make videos on that topic so that you can get views and more engagement on TikTok. Alright, so that's what the Creator Search Insight feature is all about on TikTok. Alright, so let's see how we can actually use it. Now, once you open your TikTok app, from the top right corner, you see the search option. Click on the search option and search for Creator Search Insights. So as you can see, it appears at the top, Creator Search Insights. Tap on that. Alright, so as you can see, it appears at the top, so you can click on view, click on the view button, and once you do that, you're going to see this searched topic at the top, and you see two options. You see the for you, and you see this trending option. All right, for the for you, that means these are what people are actually looking for on TikTok. Slideshow effects, how to turn on creator tools, how to claim 500k packs, blah blah blah. So these are the topic people are actually searching for on TikTok. So you as a creator on TikTok, you can go ahead and make videos around these topics, and you start getting views and engagement, I promise you. All right, so and the next one right there, which is the trending tab. Once I click on it, just like this, I'm still going to see more topics that people are actually searching for on TikTok. All right, so you can make videos on this topic and get views on TikTok and more engagement. All right, so that's it guys. This is how you can actually use the Creator Search Insights option on TikTok. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.